Hi guys, come with me to make soya beans powder. Soya beans is very healthy, like it is very good for the heart, it's very good for the bone, it helps in reducing cancer and a lot of things. So this is what I usually do once in a while. Like I usually make these soya beans once in a while, either for myself or for any member of my family. So this is me on my way. Actually, I like making it myself. You can buy the powdered one in the market, but no, I want to make it myself because there are so many things you would need to put if you're making it for yourself. So this is me exploring the market, one of the biggest markets in town. This is me exploring the market. This market is really very big, like when you are passing, everything will just be calling you. If you don't have money to buy a lot of things, there's no need to be here because you are going to spend the little money that you have. Here I stopped to buy odara, very delicious. Oh my god. So this is me heading to the place where they are grinding it. I already came to buy the soya beans like 2 days ago. I bought tiger nuts and dates. So I went back home to wash it because they are very dirty. I need to wash it. So this is where I bought it. They're also grinding it here. I can grind it for you once you buy it, but no, I decided to go home and wash mine. So this is where I bought it from. I just came to greet the man. You can see the soya beans there. You can see tiger nuts, a lot of things here, like even dried plantain, dates, rice. Like this is cool business, guys. So this is my soya beans. This is the one I actually want to grind too. I want to grind this separate. One is for me, while the other one is for my baby niece. So they're already grinding for someone, so I had to wait. Of course, whenever I come here, there are a lot of people waiting. This is cool business. So this is the smaller one is for my niece, and these are the things that are going in with them. So here I have my dates, I have cashew nuts, I have groundnuts, I have what again? I have tiger nuts, I have brown. This one is for a baby, so it needs all the ingredients. Okay. So as soon as it's done with the other one, it just took my own. Well, it took the first one. Once the thing comes out from the machine, it's usually hot, so you just had to spread it so that it will cool a little bit. Then you went in with my own. You casually grind it just to remove the chaff. So this is how they remove the chaff, because I don't think you can remove it without this method. So this is the easiest method to remove the chaff. And this is how it looks after removing the chaff before you start grinding it. So after removing the chaff, we poured it in for normal grinding, then went to remove the chaff for the second one. So this one is for my niece, and all those stuff are going in with it, so I had to pour them here. So this is him checking the first one. He's turning it back. You have to grind this up to 5 or 6 times, or as much as you can, until you feel it is okay. This is the second one. It has to come out in full powdered form, just like your normal powdered milk you get. So they keep grinding until they feel it is okay, and when they are done, they will bring it out for you to check. So this is the first one. He's done already. He asked me to check if it is okay, and yeah, I checked and it is okay. So this is how it looks when you are done. While waiting, I decided to check what is happening here, and wow, they are destoning rice. This is my first time of seeing a destoning machine. Wow, I wonder where all the stone are going to. So this is me, I'm back, and yeah, he's done with the second one, so he's just helping me to package it. And this is me going home. This is me on my way home. I spent like more than 2 hours here. It really takes time sometimes because of the people that are waiting. On my way home, I couldn't go home stressed because I saw a lot of beautiful things. But first of all, I decided to buy fruit. And this is me finally on my way home.